flames. I'm gonna put those nails on fire. On fire.
But before we do, these were from last week's Bougie Nails on a Budget. I just love having fun doing this. These are full coverage clear stiletto nails by DXH Couture. They're the same as I used in last week's video as well. At this point, all of my posts are pre-recorded, and this one, I couldn't remember the polishes I used for having an emergency in my home at that time, but things will be back on track with the next one. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And there's quite a few newcomers, so hello to you. This is Bougie Nails on a Budget and is posted every Tuesday, and I'm happy all of you are here because I plan to put these nails on fire. So I'm not going to be using the foil you saw at the beginning, of course, because that was just for fun. So just follow along because this is a super easy set and I love how it turned out. And I know some of you are going to be like, yeah, easy, right? But trust me, you'll be able to do this in your own design. So I did red on the thumb, index, and pinky. If I forced myself to remember, I would take a guess that this red is from the Model 1's 24 color collection and is number 016 because I don't have a lot of reds and the others I have are much darker. But you can use any red. It'll look nice with the marbling regardless. And I cure for 30 seconds in my 75-watt lamp. Then do the same with the second coat. And I did remember this nude I used for the next two nails because her polishes are really good and she's very special. I haven't seen her in quite some time and hope to see her back soon though. This is by Princess Nails by Diana and it's number 510 from her Springlicious collection. Much love, Princess Nails by Diana. So these nails will also get 2 coats each and cured. Her polishes are so nice. They have a smooth jelly-like consistency and so easy to polish. And these are cured for 30 seconds as well. Now watch how easy. For the ring finger, I placed the edge of a small strip of tape down the center. And the only thing that was hard for me was getting this line straight. Then I prepped for the marbling. You guys saw this in my How to Marble 4 Ways video. I want to say the bright orange is like a coral orange by Beetles and the yellow is Beetles too. Once the polish colors were lined together, they get swirled, but not too much so they don't totally mix in. Then it's scooped up and with the brush still facing up with the colors on top, the polish is laid with light pressure on the brush so the polish slides right off. See? So easy. I started over the top of the tape and worked outward toward the side edge. And I wanted to make sure to have some pronounced red so it would match the primary color of the set. Now this is sped up, so I'm just making sure you know I didn't do this as fast as it appears. Once done with the marbling and before curing, I peel the tape away carefully And now I have a beautiful half marbled nail. For this one, I did an imperfect French off the marble look. Oh, and by the way, I had to reload and mix more polish. Oftentimes there'll be excess polish and it'll pull around the edges, and this needs to be taken away. All you have to do, and I really should have gloves on, place and lightly press your finger against the edge and roll it away, taking away any excess. Then this also gets cured for 30 seconds. And now you know what we getting ready to do, right?
And coincidentally, guys, this turned out to be the perfect for the edit of this video because it has gotten chilly. And as you can see, the leaves have been falling. But we do this even when it gets a little cold out. So we're going to put that food on fire.
At first I thought to hand draw the flames, but then remembered I did say it's an easy set, so these flames were perfect. I like the way this is coming out, and if you do, hit the like button. Also, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss all that I have coming. I love the reflective look off the flame. I had considered adding some bling, but ended up not doing it. I didn't want to take away from the fabulousness of that flame. And even though it's getting cold, we're keeping the toes done. And this is easy too. Doing the small toes red, then matching the big toe with flame marbling. You can see with the first layer of marble on the big toe, the colors on the palette had started becoming blended, so I redid the colors again because I definitely wanted the red to stand out more. And also for the big toe, I did add some accent lines, then cure for 30 seconds. I used no wipe glossy top coat, but I did wonder how this would look in matte too. This is the final look. Girl, they're hot, yet have a delicate look all at the same time. If you enjoyed this, you can find more bougie nails on a budget by clicking this playlist. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you again in the next one. Much love.